That major snowstorm on the way, the countdown until Sunday is on.
Yes, and a lot of people are out and about preparing in more ways than one. NBC Connecticut's David Horowitz has more live from Highland Park in Manchester. David, you know, I went out today to go to a grocery store locally, and I couldn't even get a space, so I'll be going after work tonight. It's that kind of day.
That kind of day for sure, Kevin and Amber. And you can see that here, people just flocking to the grocery store. If we turn over, you can see that the lines have just been fluctuating throughout the day. Now, it's not just that the snowstorm is coming on Sunday, it's that the Patriots are also playing on Sunday night with a chance to go to the Super Bowl with a win. So a lot going on there. So people are stocking up on those essentials, but what's essential to one person is different from another. So whether it's candy, cold cuts, all the way to alcohol.
Cake and some cookies, some candy.
I've got spaghetti, tuna, eggs, pretzels, and apples. Cabernet. So, haven't got there yet, but I've got some at home, but got to have plenty of that.
The forecast says snow on Sunday, and that means the aisles at the grocery store are packed right now.
I'm getting some beans, and then I got to get some half and half cream and some cold cuts and different stuff just to get through the weekend.
Are you preparing for the storm?
Oh, yeah.
Whether it's candy or cold cuts, they've got it all at Highland Park Market in Manchester.
It's milk, it's eggs, it's bread. I mean, those are always the key items.
Rich Tyrell says those items are flying off the shelves.
You anticipate things like this. We know it's going to be busy. We try to bring in those key items and make sure that our shelves are stocked.
And business is booming.
People are lined up outside. It's been great.
And so here's some good news. If you're like me and you kind of procrastinate and wait until the last day, they're going to have their normal hours throughout the weekend. That includes Sunday from 8 to 6 p.m. So you can come in at any time and still get those essentials that you need. Here in Manchester, David Horowitz, NBC Connecticut News.